Yes. Let's go outside. Hey, cultivators are back again. Our aloe plant is like drooping. That's the best way. That's the sound effect I can give to describe it. But welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be fixing that and putting it in a larger pot. So it's going to be Angelina and the team today, getting it in a larger pot. However, today our pot that we're going to be using is currently occupied. We recently upgraded the pot. And because this is on our kitchen table, I wanted it to be a similar pot. This pot is larger. We took a cutting, so I'm just going to move some of the soil in the cutting into the smaller pot, and then we are going to move this aloes, get these aloes into this larger pot. So that's what is on our schedule for today during this live. For more information, always remember to go to avgardening.com. And for more lives like these, visit us at And Behind the Scenes, as well as some helpful documents. Visit us and guides. Visit us at AV Garden. Visit us at patreon.com/Angeline Verdant, VERDANT. Today's a good day to garden. Let's get started. And this is a decor decision. So I'm doing the same thing I usually do, which is put a hole in here, the shape of the other pot. We're gonna put our thyme in there. What's that? All right, so let's see what's going on with this aloe plant. It's been in here for quite some time. It's starting to get, it's starting to get a little flimsy. Today it's looking a little not so well. So we're adjusting it. We're gonna cut off that leaf right there. See how the roots are looking. We're gonna take a root check in a minute. So this one just came off. Let's just do a quick root check. Well, they're doing fine. Let's put this in. I'm not watering it in because one, it's succulent, and two, the plant that's in the water, the soil that's in there is very, very wet. So we're just gonna put this in. We're gonna get the soil all the way up to the top, and then we're gonna take that thyme plant and put it in here. It doesn't need to come inside. It doesn't need to come inside at all. But I probably am gonna bring it inside. Our thyme plant. And put it on our display. We have quite a few displays. And so these are our display pots that go inside. That's a good way to describe them. So I wiped them off. Now it has a lot of fingerprints and soil, but wipe them off and they look nice inside. All right, so we're giving our aloe plant some room to grow and spread its legs. The soil that it went in is soaking wet, so we're just gonna let the dry soil absorb the moisture in its own time. It's a succulent. You don't, want to overwater or get it too moist. It likes to be dry, dry, dry. So we're gonna leave it dry. And there we go. We've repotted our aloe plants. And while we're here, we got our smaller pot available. Let's put our thyme that is coming back. Now here we have some empty pockets, and we have a lot of lettuce that needs to be thinned. So that's our next video. We will be thinning our lettuce, thinning out some lettuce, and put these all in here. And adding soil to that layer. Actually, yes, we're gonna thin our lettuce and add some soil to that layer. Let me bring this. So let's bring our aloes back inside. And I'm gonna get a chair because this is a little past my height. So I'm gonna get a chair. We're gonna add some soil to this this level here and add some soil to the top level, and then bring out our lettuce that's inside doing its thing. Also, just for updates, this is our onions that we put in for the fall that have been doing well. So our onions are down here growing in. All right, so we're gonna add some more soil to that. Let's come with me to bring this, our aloe plant. Ugh. Since this is your video, Mr. Aloes, let's go. Whoa, this is so heavy. It's too heavy to one-hand it. Had to put it down. Hopefully it doesn't fall. There we go. This is our aloes video. Here, open the door. Up. Ugh. All right, so we got our aloe back in its usual home, back in the citrus corner. So we got our succulent here. All right, so thank you very much for joining. It's been Angeline and the team. We repotted our aloe plant. For more information on this, go to our website at avgardening.com, and to join the cultivators and for additional things, please visit us at patreon.com/Angeline Verdant. Thank you very much for joining, and remember to stay green always, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.